Welcome to MotorVibes, your ultimate destination for all things motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the top 7 new Japanese cruiser motorcycles for 2024. From sleek designs to powerful engines, we've got it all covered. Let's hit the road and explore. Number 7. Honda Shadow Phantom. The Honda Shadow Phantom cruises into the new year with a sleek, modern look while keeping its classic bobber style. Gone are the shiny chrome parts, now replaced with a blacked-out finish that gives it a stealthy appearance. Even the exhaust is blacked out, adding to its aggressive look. The Phantom is powered by a liquid-cooled 745cc V-twin engine. It's not the fastest bike, but it's built for comfort, offering low-end torque for smooth highway cruising and a satisfying rumble. Its handling is predictable and stable, perfect for a cruiser. It's not designed for sharp cornering but performs well on relaxed weekend rides. With a starting price of $8,400, the Shadow Phantom is a great value. It might not be the most powerful motorcycle, but it's stylish and affordable, making it an excellent entry point for new riders looking to enjoy cruising without spending a fortune. The combination of a comfortable ride, sleek design, and affordable price makes the Honda Shadow Phantom a compelling choice for anyone looking to get into the world of cruising motorcycles. It's a bike that offers a lot for the money, providing a great balance of performance, style, and value. Number 6. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. Cruising into the 2024 motorcycle season, the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 isn't groundbreaking, but that's its charm. It's a familiar friend on 2 wheels, available in 3 versions: Classic, Classic LT, and Custom. Each has a retro vibe with chrome accents and a teardrop tank, while the Custom stands out with wide drag handlebars and forward-mounted pegs. Powered by a reliable 903cc V-twin engine, the Vulcan 900 isn't built for speed but offers a smooth ride with enough power for comfortable highway cruising. It delivers around 50 horsepower, perfect for enjoying the scenery rather than dominating it. Starting at a budget-friendly $8,800 for the base model, the Vulcan 900 is an attractive option for new riders or anyone seeking a comfortable cruiser without breaking the bank. With its classic cruiser style, comfortable ride, friendly engine, and affordable price, the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 could be your perfect match. Just remember, it's not about winning races but enjoying the journey. Number 5. Honda Rebel 1100. The Honda Rebel 1100 has that classic low-slung silhouette and comfortable riding position, but underneath, it boasts a modern heart. Forget clunky gear changes. The Rebel 1100 features a smooth shifting dual-clutch transmission, allowing you to focus on the open road without wrestling with a clutch lever. Despite its Rebel name, this bike is all about control. The parallel twin engine packs a punch with 1083cc of displacement, delivering 85 horsepower. It's enough to get your heart racing without feeling overwhelming. Handling is surprisingly nimble for a cruiser, thanks to a well-balanced chassis and comfortable ergonomics. With a starting price around $9,000, the Honda Rebel 1100 offers a compelling package for riders seeking a powerful, comfortable, and stylish cruiser without the usual high price tag. If you're looking for a bike that combines nostalgia with innovation, the 2024 Honda Rebel 1100 could be your perfect match. It's a blend of old-school charm and modern technology, providing a fantastic riding experience. Number 4. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S isn't flashy, but it excels in the looks department. It drops the chrome and frills for a clean, muscular design that sits low and mean. While it might not turn heads at every stoplight, there's a timeless cool to this motorcycle. Under its unassuming exterior is a capable 649cc parallel twin engine. This engine is user-friendly, delivering smooth, predictable power, especially at lower revs, making it perfect for new riders or those who enjoy relaxed cruising. The Vulcan S isn't built for the racetrack, but its handling is light and responsive, ideal for navigating city streets and curvy back roads. It won't overwhelm you, and its comfortable riding position ensures long rides are enjoyable. The Vulcan S starts at a reasonable $7,400, making it an attractive option for budget-minded riders who want a stylish, dependable cruiser without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a motorcycle that's easy to handle, comfortable for cruising, and wallet-friendly, the Vulcan S is definitely worth a test ride. Number 3. Suzuki Boulevard M109R. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R isn't your typical laid-back cruiser. It leans towards the muscle side with a sleek and imposing design. Chrome accents and a sculpted headlight give it a mean look, while slash-cut mufflers add a touch of attitude. This head-turner ensures you won't blend into traffic. Powering this beast is a 1783cc V-twin engine, one of the largest in its class. It delivers serious muscle with 128 horsepower and 118 torque. Twist the throttle, and this bike takes off with authority. The M109R isn't light, weighing in at 764 pounds, which might seem intimidating to new riders. However, Suzuki has equipped it with a beefy suspension and wide tires for decent handling. The price tag for this muscular cruiser is $15,600. It's not cheap, but for the performance and undeniable presence it offers, it might just be the asphalt king you've been searching for. If you're looking for a powerful, stylish cruiser with a commanding presence, the Suzuki Boulevard M109R is worth considering. Number 2. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 isn't trying to revolutionize design, but that's its charm. It's a cruiser motorcycle with classic, stripped-down aesthetics. There's no flashy chrome or bulky frame here. The Rebel 500 features a low-slung seat, a teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and a minimalist headlight. It comes in 2 colors, classic pearl black and a new matte laurel green metallic, adding a touch of personality without overdoing it. Under the sleek bodywork is a 471cc parallel twin engine. Despite the 500 in the name, it doesn't quite reach 500cc. However, this engine offers 47 horsepower, which is plenty for cruising around town and enjoying leisurely weekend rides. The Rebel 500 is lightweight, around 408 pounds, making it easy to maneuver and handle tight spaces. The low seat height suits riders of all heights, and the comfortable riding position ensures you won't be aching after long rides. Starting at $6,500, the Rebel 500 is a great option for new riders or budget-minded cruiser enthusiasts. It's a stylish, dependable motorcycle that offers a lot without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a manageable, classic cruiser, the Rebel 500 is worth considering. Number 1. Kawasaki Eliminator. Meet Kawasaki Eliminator. It's not your grandpa's cruiser. This middleweight machine blends classic cruiser looks with a modern, confident ride. Think of it as the cool younger cousin to the typical burly cruiser. The Eliminator features a low-slung seat, perfect for shorter riders or anyone wanting a comfortable, planted feel. Its chopped fenders and teardrop tank give it a sporty edge, like a cruiser that decided to hit the gym. Under the exterior, you'll find a 451cc parallel twin engine. Don't let the cubic centimeters fool you. This engine is tuned for low-end grunt, providing the power you need for city rides and highway cruising. The price tag starts at a cool $6,500, making it an attractive option for new riders or budget-minded cruiser enthusiasts. If you're looking for a motorcycle that's easy to ride, easy on the wallet, and packs a surprising punch, the Eliminator might just be your perfect match. Thanks for joining us on MotorVibes. If you enjoyed this ride, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting motorcycle reviews and updates. Keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up. See you next time.